out of here. I don't have time for. Whoa! Whoa! You thought? What the f? Hi, ladies and gentlemen. What is going on? And welcome to a game called Cat Mario. It's in Japanese, but I'm sure we all know that it stands for Cat Mario. The video is cropped because this is how big the window is. See, I can't expand it. I can minimize it, but that's just about it. But I can't expand it, so I can't get a big screen out of it. We are going to give this game a go. So we're gonna press enter. Press the enter key. They say press enter, so we're gonna do that. And we're gonna give this game a try. Do I just step on those? Yeah, I step on these. Okay. Okay. You can't open that. What the hey, dude? Okay. Now I want to get that box up there. One thing, hey! Sucker! I played Super Mario before, but it was on a Nintendo. Best rule of thumb is to open these boxes because you never know what's inside of them. Whoa! Whoa! So we'll just fly over that. Whoa! What the? Okay, I thought mushrooms were gonna give me power-ups. Okay, so, and we know what this is. That doesn't give a power up. That doesn't give us power ups. Whoa! Okay, nice. So what am I supposed to do? Okay, 1, 2, 10. Oh my gosh, dude, they stop spawning when I die. Okay, we're just gonna ignore all of that. We're gonna ignore all of that. What? Okay, okay, that was too high. So we passed that. What the? Okay. Yeah, ignoring all that. Ignoring that! Oh! I was going too fast, dude. Yeah, get out of here with that box. Yeah, ignoring that. Okay. Oh my god! Hey, ignoring that. Yeah. So that's why I always jump on the heads of them, so that way they can just die. You know. Wow! And I thought that was just another dimensional tunnel. Whatever you call it. Another portal to another dimension. This mother freaking game, dude. What a mother freaking game. I'm not gonna get fooled. What a mother freaking game! Woo! Okay, well, now we stop. Okay, alright. I forgot the same boss from the sky. Ignoring that. Woo! Going airborne. I thought it was going to kill them. I thought it was going to kill them. You punch the brick wall and it kills them on the spot. Ignoring that. Thanks, dude. We know that it doesn't give us. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, thanks, guys. Woo! Airborne, airborne. I keep forgetting the freaking block. Okay. Come on, fall from the sky. Come on, fall from the sky. You waited right till I got completely out in the open, huh? Okay. You want to play that? Come on out. Come on out. Now I'm going in. Now I'm going in. Oh, you can't go in. Okay. Well, never mind. Thanks, bud. Get out of here.
Piece of cake. Duh.
Oh my! And then you decide to fall from the sky. I see how it works. I see how it works. Uh-oh. 7 times, dude. 17 times. Okay, I'm not stupid. I'm gonna go over here. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna break this. Then I'm gonna open this. Then I'm gonna take this. It doesn't make me bigger! Dude, it didn't make me bigger. That big body could have saved me from that. What a freaking... Wow, dude. Okay. Now, last time, it flung me up into the sky. Alright. Stupid. Bye. Have a great day. Not again. Not again. Oh, my... Let's think strategy, Daniel. Think strategy. Break this. Crap. It doesn't make me bigger. So we... Oh, now you want to stay there. Now you want to stay up in the sky, huh? Okay. No. I think that's a checkpoint, guys. Oh. Wow! What happens if you step on a turtle, though? Yeah, get out of here, dude. Get out of here, Star. Get out of here. Get out of here. I don't have time.
Nope.
Whoa! Whoa! You thought. Good try. You thought. I am sick and tired of these boxes being there, and when you don't... I'm not speaking English correctly. Get out of here. Whoa! GG, you got me this time. Uh-huh. Now, what happened right here was... It tried to box me in, dude. It tried to box me in. What? What? It freaking boxed me in, dude. How do I get out? I'm claustrophobic. I don't want this. So I have to commit suicide just to get out of it. So last time we got boxed in, I'm like, what the hey? What the hey, dude? Oh my god! I couldn't pass the freaking area because of these freaking hidden boxes. Oh wow! No, dude! Oh my gosh! One, 2, 10! I hate this game! Okay, stupid. Oh, now I'm using you. You're gonna help me get over. You like to block folks in so much? I'm gonna help you. Gonna help me get over. What? Nice camp. He likes to troll folks. Woo! Bruh. How do you get around these campers? It's like they just camp and wait for you to... Okay. Uh-huh. Good try. Good troll. Good troll. What a troll. Now, I am not stupid, Cloud. I ain't stupid! Come on. Come on. Come on. Y'all so tough. Come on. Bruh. How do you get around them? Oh my gosh. Bye. Have a nice trip. Good try. Come on. Y'all so tough. Come on. Okay. This is the moment of truth. Whoa! Glad I dodged that. Oh! Now the finish was set up with death trips. Or death traps, rather. Uh-huh. Good try. You stupid troll. My keyboard's broke. Fall from the sky. Come on. Fall from the sky. There you go. Uh-huh. Oh, crap. I forgot to jump over the flagpole, dude, and just walked right over there. Just to because watch. Just watch. Just watch. Just watch. You see what I have to deal with. Even if I'm at the lowest point of the flagpole. Woo! Oh my gosh. This is the hardest part. I've never played a Super Mario game like this that is this hard. Wow. don't touch the pole! Don't touch the pole! Come on, bro! Don't touch the pole! Not even the ball part of the pole. Actually, I could have used one of them. Look, I could have used one of them to jump over the pole. Oh my gosh! Can you run fast? Oh! Now I get it. Run fast with the space bar. I just put myself in this predicament. I may as well die. Don't dive into the abyss, idiot! See? I told you! Oh my... I hate this game, dude. I hate this game. 1, 2, 10. Oh! What the f- I have an idea. This just might work. I have an idea. We might jump over that torpedo, that flying torpedo, and then we're just gonna stay up there on that bridge, and then we're gonna try to jump over the flagpole because we was under the pressure of being hit from that thing, and then that's why I decided to just jump. So we're just gonna wait till all these dumb hits, all these dum-dums get no gum-gum. I could have passed it. I almost had it. Come on. Come on. This is what you get. This is what you get, idiot. No! Jump over the freaking... I'm about to quit this game. I've never died so many times for just one round. For this one level. And this is what I hate about these clouds! Crap. Woo! That was too close. Sit by. Sit by. That's the end of the game. I'm done. I'm freaking done with this.